Welcome to my channel, TK Learn. Subscribe now. Potato. Potato. Potato means aloo. Tomato. Tomato. Tomato means tomato. Onion. Onion. Onion means pyaz. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic means lehsun. Ginger. Ginger. Ginger means adrak. Carrot. Carrot. Carrot means gazar. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage means patta gobi. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cauliflower means phool gobi. Spinach. Spinach. Spinach means palak. Peas. Peas. Peas means matar. Radish. Radish. Radish means mooli. Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber means kheera. Brinjal. Brinjal means bangan. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pumpkin means kaddu. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger means bhindi. Beetroot. Beetroot. Beetroot means chukandar. Capsicum. Capsicum. Capsicum means Shimla mirch. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mushroom means mushroom. Turnip. Turnip. Turnip means shaljam. Drumstick. Drumstick. Drumstick means sahjan. Chilli. Chili. Chili means mirch. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Jackfruit means kathal. Fenugreek. Fenugreek. Leaves. Leaves. Fenugreek leaves means methi ke patte. Mint. Mint. Leaves. Leaves. Mint leaves means pudina ke patte. Coriander. Coriander. Leaves. Leaves. Coriander leaves means dhaniye ke patte. Sweet. Sweet. Potato. Potato. Sweet potato means shakarkand. Bitter. Bitter. Gourd. Gourd. Bitter gourd means karela. Bottle. Bottle. Gourd. Gourd. Bottle gourd means loki. Green. Green. Beans. Beans. Green beans means hari sen.